In the cycle focused on EIE's habits of mind, you spend some time thinking about the habits of mind as it relates to the supporting needs of your diverse learners. By implementing habits of mind, you are in fact integrating social and emotional learning in your learning environment. Collaborate effectively connects the SEL competency of social awareness. Students are practicing taking others' perspectives, recognizing strengths in others, practicing teamwork, and collaborative problem solving. The habit of mind, persist and learn from failure, connects to the SEL competency of self-awareness by having a growth mindset. And communicate effectively connects with the LCL competency of relationship skills by developing positive relationships and resolving conflicts constructively. Habits of mind also help engage underrepresented students. For example, consider problems in context is a habit that helps students see that engineering and computer science are helping professions, which can boost interest for girls and underrepresented minorities who may otherwise view those professions as out of reach or non-creative. Similarly, EIE's resources for diverse learners make it easy to integrate SEL and help educators establish equitable learning environments, ultimately providing the necessary means to meet the individual needs of each learner in their care. Flexible resources for diverse learners make lessons accessible and support students as they engage in the engineering design process. Designed specifically for English learners and for students receiving special education services, these print and online materials help differentiate instruction to address a broad range of classroom needs.